In this tutorial, I'll guide you through to using Raydium with Phantom Wallet. So on the Solana blockchain, listen carefully as I explain the steps so you can follow along easily. So if you haven't installed the Phantom Wallet, download Phantom Wallet from the official website of Phantom. It's available for Chrome, Firefox, and mobile. And then once the download is complete, click create a new wallet and set a strong password. Save your secret recovery phrase securely and your Phantom wallet is now ready. Now to fund your Phantom wallet with SOL, to use Raydium, you need SOL for transaction like gas fees, and then if you don't have SOL, buy it from Binance, KuCoin, or Coinbase. And then withdraw SOL from the exchange to your Phantom wallet address. And now connect Phantom wallet to Radium and then make sure you are on the official website of Radium and already log in with your credentials in here. And now on the upper left corner, upper right corner, click the connect wallet and then make sure you select the Phantom in there, then approve the connection. So that's it. So after that, you can now swap tokens on Radium and you can also provide liquidity. Now you know how to use Radium with Phantom Wallet to swap tokens, provide liquidity, and trade on Solana. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.